Red Mustang, don't come back to that cheeseburger. Hey, Red Mustang, the radio man said, don't talk to that cheeseburger. He's too dog fucking annoying. Take care, Red Mustang, the radio man, Coastal Cow just got up.
Is that him in there? I don't know. I don't even know who Cheeseburger is. I hear him, everybody talking to him, but I didn't. That's the first time I ever heard him. My bulldog.
Yeah, man, he's annoying, man. He gets out there and hoops and hollers and says, cheeseburger, cheeseburger, radio check. Hey, Red Mustang, just ignore that cotton picker, man. He ain't even worth talking to. Take care, Red Mustang, your radio man just got up. Conditions are getting rough. They weren't real nice. 222 and 606 were the only cotton pickers in there. But then it just kind of all kind of rough and tough after 606 got off that mall. Anyways, radio man on this 85-watt mall, and I just got up.
Crashing and smashing on your radio, man. My God.
Yeah, big brother, calling radio man. I heard you out there, man. I am gonna wave a hand right back to you, but yeah, I don't feel like getting up and hooping and hollering, and I just want to cruise this big old 37-foot M107 and just relax, man. But I did hear you out there calling my name, no doubt about it. Radio man, Coastal Cow just got up.
I'm cooking burgers to you with a God bless you. I saw you.
I don't know where you came from there, Sam, but I'll tell you what, man, you just came up in there right to my strawberry patch and waved your hand, no doubt about it, man. Hello, Sam Christian, radio man, Coastal Cow, right back.
48, 305, the Hills way.
Hey, bud, I'm a radio man around the coast, dog killer. Radio man in California, dog killer, Jackson, Tennessee. Radio man, dog killer, look at come in.
I tell you what there, dog killer, you did the same thing that Sam Christian did, man. Just kind of snuck it by my receive and threw your hand up there, and I saw it. Hello, dog killer, your radio man, cruising this big old 37-foot M107, and I just got up.
Yeah, man, you're cruising it good, too. Radio man, dog killer, say you're cruising it good. Get up here on the southern side, it's beautiful side. Jackson, Tennessee, radio man in Cal.
Hey, dog killer, a lot of people like to get up and hoop and holler and get all kinds of crazy out there, man. But that's why I kind of like Doc Adams, man. Doc Adams and Master Mitch out there, man, they just like to sit back and cruise their big old antennas. Hey, dog killer, ain't no big thing on this end, man. Just me and my 85 watts and my big old 37-foot M107. And I'm cruising these airwaves that I just got up.
That was dog, radio man, dog, because that was a direct call, and I ain't gonna hold you no wrong, but 2012, piece of rubber. It's a long way, radio man, way out west. Dog, killer, piece in Jackson, Tennessee, radio man, dog, killers, have a blessed day.
Yeah, I heard it all when you said it all there, dog killer. I tell you what, man. While you're cruising that thing on the Jackson, Tennessee, Sounding real good around California right about now. Don Keller, take care, my friend. Always a pleasure on this end. Your radio man, Coastal Cal. Cruise these 85 watts just got up.
I got it all. Radio man, Don Keller, I got it all. This is on you, sir. Radio man, this is a bless, and many, many more blessings that away, Don Keller Gill.
Click, click, click.
Hey, Boogie Man, you make a lot of noise in Indiana. 199 and the Hoosier State told you that. Hello, hey, Boogie Man, you make a lot of noise in the cornfields of Indiana. 199er in Indiana told you that, and I'm back out. He's leaving on me.
Yeah, 199. Yeah, 199, a radio man wants to see how much noise I can put in your receive, too. Hello, 199, a radio man rocking on.
Hello out there. We hear you, radio man. Radio man, you're making awfully a lot of noise over here in Chicago. They call me the Typhoon 632, a mobile unit of Chicago. It's 4 o'clock here, and we are driving home.
Hey, 632, you said you're up in there in Chicago, and you're driving home, no doubt about it, man. You say I'm making a whole bunch of noise up there into around Chicago area? I'm not trying to. Hey, it's 632. I can whisper too. Take care, 632, a radio man gone again.
Kind of thoughts. Yeah, boy, tell me that, radio man. Get a clean sounding radio there. Out of respect. So you're cruising. Boy, it sure sounds like your antennas tune really well. What's your secret? You must be running those show guns if you're going to be cruising over here to Chicago. The Typhoon 632 in the middle. Hey, Boogie Man, be quiet, you're going to wake up the baby.
Hey, 632, it ain't no Joe Guns. Although I know my good friend up northwest corner, I tell you what, man, he has some nice Joe Guns. But, no, these ain't Joe Guns, man. This is just a big old 37-foot M107. Only about 40 feet up. And I'm working this old Omega Force S45 HP Magnum. Stock microphone, stock radio, no extra box, no extra power. Hey, 632, me and my 85 watt station just got up.
The rest of the time we charge. Don't tell me that there, radio man. You know, when you're around a CV shop, you got to get money some way. You're not overmodulated. Conditions are right at your lap. Keep it right there. Radio man taking over Chicago. The Typhoon 632. The same radios, same equipment.
Hey, 632, you said conditions are sitting in my lap. Don't move them. I'll try not to, man. I'll try not to get up and shake the conditions off. But I tell you what, man, that 1501 has conditions right at my antenna. That's for duck bucking sure. Hey, 632, you have a good day. Have a good year, man. Happy 2012 to you and yours. Your friend around the west side, central coast of California, directly between San Francisco and LA. Cruise this 85 watt station just got up.
Normally is in her car. But
hey, you have a good night there between San Francisco and LA. Hey, here's the number. Somebody's got a whole lot tuning up. Somebody's still tuning up that tube box. There ain't gonna be no tube left in that box. He gets through tuned up. Because it's been a whole in the room in there.
he gets through tuning up that box to talk on 15 online. Yo, man. Fishman, Kentucky, don't hold him that.
Doorknob down here in Music City said that. I'm gone.
Well, good afternoon, time Doorknob. I heard you out there too, my brother, my friend. In 1501, it'd be nobody but a radio man. You should recognize my voice by now. In 1501, you should recognize my voice by now, man. We've only been talking for a couple of years. Take care, my friend. 1501, Doorknob, always a pleasure. Radio Man 1351 on YouTube, and I'm rocking on.
I got so much extra time coming in there.
Yeah, he ended up in but to hear real good, this ain't hard hearing anyway, but anyway, he doesn't know your videos, it's just I got the damn ears between us. Catch me later on, Bishop, a good drink, you go.
Wow. Hey, 1501 and Doorknob, you guys both keyed up at the exact same time, and you both unkeyed at the exact same time, and you're both at the same dB level, 15 dB, and you ain't moving. I couldn't pull out nothing that anybody said except for 1501 said something about, it ain't my radio, it's his receive. Alright there, 1501. Take care there, Doorknob. Radio Man, your friend around the west side just got up.
Where's that stuff all up in there, Radio Man? With this home invasion radio.
747 with your home invasion radio. If either of Doorknob or 1501 would have keyed up that time around, they would have taken you straight out. Because you're cruising down there by 7 SEOs. But I tell you what, man, they did not key up, and you were all by yourself. 747 with your good sounding self. Your friend around California just got up.
So much hectorine coming out of the west right now, it's unbelievable. I'm running about a 10, 12 there, no doubt about it. I got this funny hectorine coming out of the 73s. I know what it is. It's either fixing the ship or it's going to fall out the next 40 minutes down here. It's been falling out about 5 o'clock. It either falls out or it ships. And it's about almost a quarter after 4. 73s out there. Y'all have a good one. Doorknob, Music City, go.
Hey, Doorknob, that 351 isn't on that bridge anymore. I threw him in the water. Hey, Doorknob, that 351 up by the bridge is no longer on that bridge. He's in the water, the shark-fed water. Take care, Doorknob, your friend, Red Central Cow just got up.
228, bye-bye now.
No, Roger, no, get back on Doorknob, Radio Man, Coast of Cow, back to the bushes.